Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, SPXL, SPXS, FNGR, GTII, and TOPS. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. Remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also click that link in the description to sign up for all of our alerts. All of our alerts are free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1+ area code and number. And you also can sign up for the free Insider Financial Guide to penny stocks. It goes over a lot of the strategies that I talk about in my videos and talks about how we screen for penny stocks. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Sentiment has turned. Certainly two back-to-back green days in the overall markets. Like seeing this action. And the thing is, if you listen to my video over the weekend, I was bearish like everyone else. Concerned about the Fed keep raising interest rates, concerned about a recession, but the market sentiment turned. Monday, the bulls came in and started buying stocks, and overall, the sentiment was green across the board. You can go to StockTwits.com. If you follow us on StockTwits, you can see my watch list, what I have up there. And, I don't trade crypto, but Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are great gauges of sentiment. They're basically the NASDAQ QQQ on steroids. And what I like is that they have the, they trade 24/7, so you can get a sense of the price action, and they were holding up really well this weekend. So, even though I was bearish, I saw that there was the potential for a rebound, based on oversold conditions, and that's what we've seen the past 2 days. So, what I'm looking at for sentiment, and this is just overall macro view, I'm looking at the SPXL, IWM, which is the iShares Russell, SPXL. This is the leveraged ETF on the SPY. This is the 3X leverage. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I'm looking at SPY. I'm looking at QQQ. I'm looking at the Dow. I'm looking at the Ethereum. And then SPX is the directional, this is the bearish 3X on the SPY. So you see today the SPXL was up 9%, SPXS was down 9%. So it's a great way, without having to trade futures, it's a great way for you to basically, and you can do it through your Webull account or your brokerage account. Click the link in the description. We have a referral link for Webull. You can sign up, get up to 12 free stocks this month. So you can also trade options. And if you look at the option plays, I know some people trade options on the SPXL and SPXS. I don't know why. The liquidity is not there. SPY is loaded with liquidity, a lot of volume, very not a lot of slippage, and you look at these returns. I mean, the calls at 375 calls are up 552%, 380 calls up 990%. I mean, there's a lot of money to be made, in trading options. I just simply buy puts. I buy calls depending on, whether I'm bullish or bearish. I don't sell calls. I don't, I don't do any of that. I put up my money, if I'm going to invest $1,000 into, calls or puts, that's what I know the most I can lose. I'm not looking for, to get squeezed, naked calls, naked puts. I don't play that game. It's simply a risk reward. I'm putting up $1,000, to try and make, double, triple, 5 times, 10 times X my money. And, it's how I trade options. And I've been doing it for 10 years now, and it's just really, you go through the learning phase, but once you get into a rhythm, it's very, very profitable. And then, if you want to use, overall, just buy the if you overall think the market's going up, you buy the SPXL. If you think it's going down, you buy the SPXS if you are uncomfortable trading options. So again, just trying to help you guys here as much as possible, give you, opportunities or how you can make money in difficult markets. And these are difficult markets. And, we've had 2 good days, but again, I have no idea what tomorrow may bring. And one of the guy that I idolize is Stan Druckenmiller. He was the Soros fund manager. He was really the guy that pushed the bet on the British pound. Soros funds made over $1 billion on that trade. If you watch his interviews, he'll tell you, okay, I'm bullish today, but I could change my mind by 10 a.m. And, that's really the mentality you have to have if you want to be successful as a trader or I don't want to say investor because, I'm a trader. I don't fall in love with anything. I don't know where things are going to be 18 months from now. I don't have that crystal ball. I'm much, more comfortable on a shorter time frame, which would be a few hours, a couple of days, or a week at max. So that's my position. And, I'm not in love with any stocks. So, that's just the way I manage my own, portfolio. And what works for me may not work for you. So, again, to each his own. But 3 penny stocks that I've been talking about here, FNGR, this has just been an absolute runner. We've been in it since $1.05 last week, been talking about it here on the channel. And a lot of people were wondering, well, what happened today? Well, you go over here and you look at the price action today. So this is the daily chart. Well, let's go into the 5-minute here. And here, let's just make sure. Okay, there we go. So here's the 5-minute. Today's price action right over here. So it opened at 777. This was the high of the day, and then it just sold off. So it bottomed at $5, and then we got this move here in towards the end of the day. We closed almost just under $7. So guys, you go over here, and I'll include a link in the description. This is FINRA.org's daily short sale volume files. And daily short sale volume files provide aggregated volume by security for all short sale trades executed and reported to a TRF, the ADF, or the ORRF during normal market hours for public dissemination purposes. So you can click on each day, and it tells you for each security on NASDAQ, NYSE, reported to FINRA. So today, the short sale volume on FNGR was 7,258,000 shares, 58,098, out of total volume reported of 12.7 million shares. So again, there was more shorts in the market today than there were longs. So they came in, immediately started shorting FNGR because there was a lot of price action. We almost got to $10 in the after hours last night. But again, the most we could open was at 777. And then the shorts just came in and just hit this. And then it bottomed here at $5, and it just couldn't go any lower. So that's the short started panicking. I mean, if you think about it here, they got in here, 777, shorted all the way down here, and then they started panicking here at the end of the day. And this is them just closing out their position because they were naked. They're trading more than the float. And there's an article on insiderfinancial.com that I highly recommend you go and read. Finger Motion, NASDAQ FNGR, Prepare for the Coming Short and Distort Attack, written by Mike Long. It goes into a lot of details. It's all self-explanatory. It's well written, and it will really explain to you how meme stocks work, what's happening. And like I was talking earlier in the video, sentiment is the most important thing when it comes to trading. If you can read sentiment, you will make a ton of money in the markets. Sentiment is the most important thing. It's more important than the fundamentals, reading balance sheets. If you can read sentiment, that is the most important thing, and you will make an absolute killing. So if there's anything that I can try and steer you, again, not financial advice, learn to understand sentiment and start using that in your trading game plan. So that will help you go a long way in making money. And, it'll be coming, the short and distort report, it will be coming. It'll most likely get filed on Seeking Alpha. GTII already had one filed by Gold Panda on September 30th. He said strong sell. And I said, in my video yesterday, that GTII looked to me had topped out. I mean, it got up to just under 9. This is like the blow-off phase, and then we ended up down 25%. So I told you guys, and it was just basically, simple. Looking at the chart, blow-off top. We've had this incredible run. I knew GTII was going to end lower today. What it does tomorrow, I don't know. I don't care. I'm not in GTI. I'm not trading it right now. But another play that keep on your radar screen for tomorrow is Tops. This has been a great short squeeze play. It's a very low float. Today, they had 6.2 million shares shorted on total reported volume of 11.5 million. We closed up 66%, up at 543. We're already bidding 671 in the after hours. So TOPS is one to watch. This is going to be another trader just like FNGR. But guys, right now, I'm trying to keep the watch list small. I'm not trying to, be in too many stocks, too many positions right now. Just trying to be nimble. FNGR is really working out. Why do I need to be in, focusing on too many plays right now? Just focus on what works, and you'll be a much more profitable trader. But I want to wish everyone good luck tomorrow. Wednesday's hump day. Excited about so far. Been a great week. Been great. Last week was just incredible with FNGR. Really liking the market action. There are opportunities right now. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups so that you get all of our alerts when we see something really exciting. Because, YouTube channel, we talk about it in the evening. It's too late. This way you can get our alerts sent in the pre-market just before the opening bell. And as I said, the best part is completely free, guys. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that being said, I want to wish everyone good luck tomorrow. Keep banking. If you've been making money in the markets, you caught the moving finger, leave a comment below. Let us know. And thanks, everyone, for watching. And I'll be coming live to you after the bell tomorrow with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.